and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about one of my favorite social media platforms, which is TikTok. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some must-know tips for how to use TikTok to grow your small business. Y'all, I love TikTok for growing small businesses, and if you haven't heard about the amazing success that so many businesses have had with TikTok, you are missing out, my friend, and it's time to catch you up to date. TikTok has been the viral gold mine for businesses. People have been going viral like overnight or from only a few posts, after posting consistently for a while. So many people have been finding success with using TikTok for their small businesses. I'm going to be sharing my tips with you guys so that you can do the same. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Tip number 1, sign up. If you have not already signed up for TikTok, you need to sign up. You can't start on TikTok unless you already have your account. Do not use your personal account though either. I would recommend making a second profile account so you can have your normal one to post fun, normal content or whatever you want to do during your free time, and then have your business one. And keep them separate. Don't post your other stuff on each, or just post your business on your business and your personal on your personal. So make sure you have your account ready to go. Number 2, you need to make sure that your bio information is all filled out properly. This starts with making sure that your logo is your photo or your face if you connect your face with your brand, and making sure that you have your link to your Etsy shop or your website. Your Instagram can also be attached on there, and your YouTube channel. So if you have either of those, you can attach them in your links on your TikTok page. You're going to want to fill out your actual bio with information about what you sell, and then maybe a little direction of like click the link down below to shop, something like that, to let people know that they can literally click the link right below there and then they can go and shop on your website. You definitely want to make sure that it looks professional though as well. Of course, stick to your branding and what you love to do, but make sure that everything is filled out so that people know exactly where to go to contact you or to continue following you on other platforms, and they know where to go when they're ready to shop. Tip number 3, you should be posting 1 to 3 times a day on TikTok. You can actually go into your analytics if you have already been creating on TikTok, and you can actually see when your followers are more active during what hours. I like to make a priority to post a little bit before that time so that people are hopping on and looking at it, and most of my followers are on and engaging and active on the platform right when I post my content. So they're gonna see it more likely, and then that way they're going to actually engage with it a lot better, and it's gonna get shown to more people. Posting 1 to 3 times a day though is incredibly important on TikTok. TikTok loves daily action. They appreciate it when someone is consistently showing up, and they prefer 1 to 3 times a day. There are a lot of people who see a lot of success posting more than that a day as a small business to save your sanity. I would recommend 1 to 3. I would do this by batch making your content, planning ahead and prepping video ideas in your head, and making a time or a day that you can sit down and create all of them, and then you can draft them and schedule them all out and just post them one a day or whatever you want to do. Tip number 4 is to actually watch TikTok. This is something that's going to actually help you a lot more than you think it would be, especially if you are new to TikTok. It does have a little bit of a learning curve, and you want to see what other people are creating. So I would recommend following some other small businesses and creators on there that you find inspiring, or you like their content that they make. Following people, interacting, engaging, like their stuff, comment on their videos, follow people, all these kinds of things. It's just gonna help your account grow, and you're gonna learn a lot by watching others and engaging in more content. This is also a great way to come up with content ideas for you and your TikTok as well. So you can recreate trending things that you see other accounts doing, or if you see something that they make that you think you could also do, you can add that to your list of videos that you want to create. And you can also just recreate a certain type of video over and over again. People love watching packaging videos, or people who are creating things behind the scenes. These are all things that you can just like recreate day to day, or you can create like over and over and over again, and you can just constantly be using them. Tip number 5 is to share everything. Share everything that you do in your small business, coming up with your ideas and brainstorming, to meetings, to behind the scenes, to shipping, to your day in the life vlogs of what it is that you do, or creating your product, or working on building out your website, or shooting photos for your social media, all of that stuff. Literally share every little bit and piece of your business. People love to see everything. And if you are creating 1 to 3 videos a day, you're gonna need a lot of content. Just shoot all the time. Shoot everything that you do. Video yourself doing everything that you do in your business. What I used to do for my Etsy shop and small business is I had 2 tripods. I had a regular tripod and I also had like a little clamp that you could pull on your table and do like an overhead shot. I'm gonna link both of them in my description box for you guys to go and check out. These are great because you can literally take your phone, pop it on there, and just hit record and record yourself doing everything you want to do. Record all of your day-to-day business stuff. You can do the same thing with a camera if you prefer to do that instead. I just found it easier to use my phone because that's what I had, but I would just record my everyday things of what I was doing and then I would turn those into little TikTok. Record everything. Tip number 6 is to use relevant hashtags with a mix of trending hashtags. So when you are writing out your caption, you want to include hashtags for sure. I like to do about 3 or 4 in there. I don't want it to overwhelm the caption section, so just make sure you kind of keep that in mind. But I use relevant hashtags like small business behind the scenes, or packaging videos, whatever it is that you're doing in the video, find a hashtag for it. Literally when you start typing them in, it'll show you how many videos are under that hashtag. Go for some niche ones that have smaller amount of people posting with that hashtag, and then also go for a few that are larger because you don't know if you're gonna end up falling somewhere along those that people will see it a lot better. So using a mix is definitely great. Kind of sticking with that, tip number 7 is to use trending songs and sounds. So if you are scrolling through TikTok, because remember earlier I said that we need to actually be on TikTok to kind of keep up with everything. You're scrolling through TikTok and you keep hearing the same sound over and over again. Save it to your favorites and use that to create your next video because trending sounds are going to help you to be found a lot easier, which is again just going to get your business out there more and more. You can also find more trends that small businesses are doing and recreate them for yourself as well. And lastly, tip number 8 is to, of course, be patient and be consistent, because a lot of people I think expect to get on TikTok and make one video and go viral overnight, but sometimes it can take a lot of work, and as long as you are growing, then you're going to see some success and progress from that as long as you just keep going with it. So make it sustainable, make it something that you can do daily and keep up with it. Be consistent, post daily, do it for quite a few months, right? You're gonna need to do it for a few months before you start gaining attraction. You'll start to gain followers, you'll become more well-known on TikTok. TikTok is gonna trust your videos, they're gonna put them out to more people. So just start creating and create consistently and don't give up, be patient because you will become successful, I promise. Alrighty guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of today's video. Right here on the screen, I'm gonna have another video I think you'll wanna go and check out after this one, as well as an entire playlist full of other small business and Etsy related tips and tricks. Down here, you're gonna find 2 subscribe buttons, one to this channel right here so you can subscribe and stick around. I upload videos every Friday, and this one is actually for my lifestyle channel. So if you wanna see more of my face, I make videos over there weekly as well. Without further ado, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!